Hey everyone, it is Coco Chanel back with a makeup brush review. We are going to start, of course, with priming my face. You know, gotta get those AirPods out of there because I didn't want to get them messed up. I'm such a clown, I actually spilled makeup on my top. I don't know if you guys peeped it, you might. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start with this angled foundation brush from Eco Tools. Really nice application, very smooth on the other side, so I'm just gonna put that on for you guys.
Wow, I love this one.
The application was a smooth process. What I really liked about this brush was just that it did not do anything crazy with my foundation, but it literally like just smoothed it over my skin, which was great. I mean, of course, I feel like part of that goes to the primer that I used before that, but this brush was super duper awesome. So I moved on and continued to do my face. I didn't do a full tutorial for you guys, but this here I am using the defined crease for just some shadow, some simple shadow. I like this brush as well. All of these brushes feel super great. I don't know what other way to describe how these brushes feel, the bristles, but they're awesome. Blink. So for this brush, the angled liner, I added a little bit of eyebrow powder to my eyebrows, and then I went with the same brush and tried to do just a natural brown eyeliner. You can tell the difference. This angled liner applicator brush from Eco Tools is very it's strong, if that makes sense. I don't know how else to describe it. It's not flimsy, so it's strong enough for eyebrows and liner, which is awesome, and it's wide enough as well. So here I'm going with the blush brush, the full blush brush, and I don't know if y'all see that. Y'all see that? You see that? I was singing a song, but anyway, very nice application. I didn't have to do too much. I was trying not to do too much because I hate when I add too much blush on my face. I get a little crazy with doing makeup, period. So I went ahead and just finished my face, but these brushes are a big fat yes. Every last one of them. Yes. Shop Eco Tools, y'all.